Episode 9. We've got the car in the back from Borders Detailing, the little Z3M coupe. We'll unload it, have a quick look around and see what sort of job Jamie's done. Get in the sunlight. Car looks amazing. I was going to say it looks like it came out of the factory, but actually it probably looks better than when it came out of the factory now. Borders Detailing's done a really good job. Really good job. So they've done the machine polished it and Geon coated it. It looks like they've left us a little present on the passenger seat. There's some Geon products there. You get a little warranty card for the coating there. This one's the infinite warranty here by Geon, so we'll keep the car, make sure it's always clean by Borders Detailing, keep that warranty up. Yeah, it looks amazing. Let's say it's the first time I've seen the sunlight. Looks really nice. I've also got to mention that we've got the trailer from M Barnes Trailers. So we used their race shuttle. They were extremely competitive on the price. We have got an Arctic that we could have used, but it's quite big to put the put a little car in and go through the border of Scotland. So we used the Disco 5 to tow the race shuttle. Towed it absolutely effortless, and the trailers is amazing. Obviously I didn't want to pick it up, it was raining last night and then sort of spoiled the finish. I wanted to see it in the sunshine really. So the car does look amazing in the sun. The coating just gives it like an extra lift as well. I don't think I've ever seen it quite as nice as that in all the time we've had it. But it was nice to put it in the trailer last night. It's all tucked in there, it's totally sealed, so even though it was raining on the way back down, once it's in the trailer, it's all nice and dry. There's all LED lights in here. We didn't need it, but there's a winch at the front. It comes with all the tie downs. So let's say if you do need a trailer, just give M Barnes Trailers a shout. We'll stick his details up here. Give him a call on his mobile. You'll sort a really good deal. They're all insured and they're immaculate when you get them. Obviously, it'd be nice if you bring it back that way. We'll pack the trailer up. And we're going to keep this trailer over the weekend and we're going to pick up the Mustang. So the same as that, I don't really want to drive it when it's all raining and horrible. I'll drive up there with the Disco 5 towing this. We'll go and collect it from Jamie's and Borders Detailing, and then we'll see what that looks like. It should look really nice. That one's also getting the polish and the PPF put on. It's ceramic coating on the back where the PPF isn't going on. But we'll still be using this trailer with the Mustang in. To keep it nice, we're going to take it now, put it back in the storage unit, get its cover on and just keep it there until next summer I hope, and the Mustang will be the same. Don't really use them a lot in the winter, but it will obviously, we could do because it's got the protection now with the ceramic coating, so every time I wash that, Jamie assures me that it'll come back the same as what it looks there now. So we'll stick the trailer away, get it all loaded back up again, get the cover on the M3, and then we'll see you later on in the episode. Thank you. back up here at Borders Detailing with Jamie. He's going to quickly run through what he's done in this car, then we'll get loaded up into the trailer. What you done, Jamie?
So we had it washed, decontaminated, brought in, obviously inspected through the paint. Paint was pretty good, and then we moved on to machine work on the front end just to get it ready for the application of Premium Shield's paint protection film. We've then applied paint protection film to the front bonnet, wings, wing mirror covers, and the front bumper. We also have applied some PPF to the touchscreen, which is obviously in the centre of the car.
Jamie, what sort of warranty does this get?
Premium Shield comes with lifetime warranty. So you'll get a lifetime warranty which you'll register, and we'll obviously give you a leaflet which has got all the information inside. Obviously give us contact if you have any issues in the immediate future.
Just wash it normal?
Yeah, just wash it normal.
Perfect.
You can use ceramic detailers, top-up detailers and things like that, as normal, as you would with your normal.
Perfect. Car looks awesome, we'll get in the trailer.
Thank you very much.
We've just got back to Team Valley now after a trip from Borders Detailing. Mustang's back in its little habitat. We're going to put the cover on, same as the rest of these cars here. So these are all covered up. These will probably come back out next year. We'll get the cover on the M4. Even the Defender's got its little cover on. So we'll put the cover on this. The only time it's going to come out, it's going to go back to Ford for a recall. I think next month. And then it'll be covered back up again, probably come back in March, and we'll see you at the garage tomorrow. We'll just stick the cover on. Bullet's all tucked away in bed now. Keep the paint all perfect. I think it's definitely time for bed. Lights out. Hi everybody, welcome back, episode 9. So it's been a really busy week this week, so we've been to Borders Detailing twice now, once for the M Coupe, second time for the Mustang. So Borders Detailing did an amazing job. Those cars are now tucked up in bed until probably March next year. We're going to do a quick walk on the workshop to finish this episode off. We'll start off with the Defender here. 110 double cab, spends most of its life in a quarry. So the first thing it was in for was it had no drive on the front, so it was having to be driven in diff lock to get it here. So that's actually snapped the half shaft, damaged all the joint as well. Let's get the full new half shaft put in. And also this vehicle wouldn't ever go in reverse, so we've stripped the gearbox down and found that reverse gear is missing all the teeth. So that's getting a new reverse gear, half shaft, and a couple of jobs for its health check. New number plate at the front, that's missing. But like I say, that spends most of its life in a quarry, so it it doesn't actually matter. I'm going to go over towards this van here. This is actually our new van for going and fitting the Can Phantom product. So basically, if you've got a newish vehicle, I would say anything 2010 upwards, I would look at getting it protected with a Can Phantom. So basically, your Can Phantom will protect your car from, so if anybody took your key from your house or say from your bag, if they cloned the key or if they actually coded a new key. So if you go online, you can see plenty of videos, cars being stolen under 15 seconds now. Where even if you give the key to the person, they still couldn't start the van or the car unless they knew the PIN number for your Can Phantom. So basically on this van here, you just get in, you would put the PIN number in, so that would be volume up, volume down, volume up, volume down. You would see indicators flash twice. That would let you know the system's been disarmed. Key in and start as normal. So basically once you've locked the van up, so if you've gone shopping, you've locked up at night time, the system will rearm after 15 seconds of the van being shut down. Every time you come back in, just re-enter your simple PIN number, whatever you choose. You can choose between any of the buttons on the dashboard. It could be the accelerator, the brake, the clutch. You could flash the high beam. PIN number your choice basically, and you can change it whenever you like. And then put your PIN in, start the van, and it makes sure your van or your car is protected from the thieves. So this is our van, which is going to be out just doing a mobile fitness service for the Can Phantom. A lot of people start asking if we could do it mobile, so then we just got a new van, and that's just getting fitted out now, ready for that. This taxi in the middle of the workshop is just in for a fuel filter, I believe. Paul? I think every video I've ever done has probably got an NEPS van in. I've said before, local parcel company, lots of vans, always keep on top of their maintenance and service. This van is just failed its MOT, so it's getting all the MOT failures done today. Get that van back out delivering parcels tonight. This is a Vivaro, so this came in for MOT this morning. It was advised that the pads were all getting low and 2 front tyres. Guy doesn't want the van off the road later on, so we have now just put pads all around. It's getting 2 front tyres, and that van will be back out. Got another Vivaro in. This van is in for a pair of handbrake cables and a set of rear pads. That'll be that all done. There's been very little progress on the Mustang. It's just been way too busy in the workshop. Same with the G-Wagon. This is literally just drove into the workshop. It's just been in for a gearbox rebuild. We've had the gearbox out yesterday, and he's rebuilt the full gearbox, all new bearings and a synchro. That's just been test drive. It's all good to go. So I'm going to end the workshop walk around there. I just want to say thank you to everybody who's been subscribing lately. We're really close now to 1,000 subscribers. So this episode is going to come out on Thursday. Today is Tuesday. So hopefully Ed can get it all mashed together and get it all edited. So on the 10th episode, we're then going to announce the winner of the £1,000. Assume we do get the 1,000 subscribers by then. So at the moment we're on 920, I believe. So hopefully by next Thursday, we'll have 1,000 subscribers and we're going to give away £1,000. We'll pick the name at random. If we can get a hold of you on the day, we'll call you on the day. If not, we'll send you an email and you can get in contact with us for your £1,000. Just remember that we need you to like, subscribe, and try and share our page as much as possible. And that obviously the more likes and shares we get, the more we'll start putting into the videos. So we're going to like it here, subscribe here to our channel. Like I say, 1,000 subscribers, we're going to give away £1,000. Thanks very much and see you soon.